Welcome to my channel for comprehensive tutorials on fundamental principles to complex problems. I'll cover it all. Feel free to share, subscribe for more contents. Thank you. Hello everyone. This is exercise 12. As you know very well, in the previous exercise 11, I have explained you the formula of squares. In here, we are working on cubing formula. And let me explain you something about the formula. In the previous exercise, we are done with this part. As you can see, in here, if a plus b is multiplied by a plus b, it's called as a plus b whole square. This actually means that you are multiplying a with a plus b first and then plus b again with a plus b. So this gives you a square plus ab and plus ab and plus b square. So ultimately this gives you a 2ab plus b square. So this is the formula of a plus b whole square, like this. And in case if you have a minus, you will write a minus here. Or in a way, I can say that a minus b whole square is going to be equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. And in case if you have a plus sign in between, plus b whole square is going to be a square plus 2ab plus b square. So the only difference is if you have a minus here, you will write a minus here. If you have a plus here, you will write a plus here. So this is simple. But when it comes to using a formula of a plus b whole cube, it's going to be something like this: a plus b whole cube. Now, in here, as soon as you see this, you should know that the first value is a and the second value is b. For example, if it is 2x plus 3, and I want to multiply 2x plus 3 by itself three different times, or in a way, I can say that 2x plus 3 is multiplied like this, and again it's going to be multiplied by this once again. So it means this. So I can definitely say that instead of doing this hard work, I want to go for a formula that makes our life easier. Now for this, we know very well that when a plus b times a plus b is multiplied by a plus b should give you this. So we know that we are done with this. We know the answer for this one is going to be 2a plus b square, and it's going to be multiplied by a plus b. And now a is going to be multiplied by a square plus 2ab plus b square, and again plus b is going to be multiplied once again with a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this gives you a cube plus 2a square b plus a b square, and this one from here is going to give you a square plus b plus 2a b square plus b cube. And now ultimately a cube plus 2a square b and another a square b, 2a square b, and this one is going to come near to this, making like terms together: 2a b square plus ab square plus b cube. So this gives you a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. To make it easier, the method you can work on this is to help you with the Pascal theorem. Pascal triangle is something that you should know very well. Now, this is one, okay? And one like this makes a triangle. Now, you should know very well that 1 plus 1 is going to give you a 2. You write 1 here and 1 here. And again, making another triangle, making like this: 2 plus 1 is going to give you a 3, 2 plus 1 gives you a 3, and 1 comes here. So this is a series that makes a triangle. And if I want to extend this one, I will write 3 plus 1 is a 4, 3 plus 3 is a 6, and 3 plus 1 is a 4 again, and I make another triangle like this. And if I proceed, I'll make that something like this: 5, this gives you a 10, this gives you a 10, this gives you a 5, and this gives you a 1. So this is going to be a triangle. Now, the best part to understand is that this is a plus b whole square formula, and this one is a plus b whole cube formula. Even if you ignore this guy, From here, it's fine because you're working on a plus b or a minus b whole square formula. So 1, 3, 3, 1. What do you notice here? It is a 1, 3, 3, 1. So this gives you a formula. Now, for example, if you have a minus b, so what will you do? A minus b whole cube. So what you'll do is you write a cube and you write 3ab, 3ab, and 3ab once again, and you write b cube. Now here a is a cube, here you make square, and here you make 1. Here 3 is b is 3 and b is 2 here. And now if this is a plus sign, okay, that we don't write here, so you put a negative here and positive and negative. Okay, one positive and one negative. So this is going to give you a minus b whole cube formula. We don't need to work out this whole thing. We just straight away get the answer. Now, moving on to question number 1. Since there is no formula used here, what I will do is I will multiply x minus 3 first by x and then second by 2. So this gives you x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. So this is going to be the answer for the first two brackets. Okay, now I'm going to multiply this x with x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6, or we can simplify this first to make things easier. X square plus x, because from minus 3x it one is subtracted, so minus x and minus 6 is going to be the answer for the first two brackets. It's multiplied by x minus 4. So I will multiply x with x square minus x minus 6. Two times I'm going to multiply with x and minus 4. So the first one is going to give me x cube minus x square minus 6x, and this one is going to give me minus 4x square plus 4x and plus 24. So simplifying this is going to give minus x square minus 4x square, bringing like terms together, minus 6x and plus 4x and plus 24. So I will further simplify. This gives me minus 5x square and minus 2x plus 24 as an answer for this question. Taking you to the next question. In here, x is multiplied by x plus 2 first, and then minus 1 is going to be multiplied by x plus 2 once again. So first one is going to give you x square plus 2x minus x, and minus plus is a minus 2 is going to be multiplied by x minus 5 like this. Now I'll write x first, and then it's going to be multiplied by x square plus 2x minus x, or what we can do is we simplify the bracket within itself. So it's going to give you plus x minus 2 in one bracket and another bracket x minus 5. So x square plus x minus 2 is going to be multiplied two times. X square plus x minus 2 two times I will write, and I will multiply first by x and second by minus 5. So this is going to give you x cube plus x square minus 2x and minus 5x square minus 5x and plus 10. So simplifying this one, it's going to give us x cube, keeping the like terms together, plus 5x minus 5x square minus 2x and minus 5x and plus 10. Further simplification is going to give you minus 4x square and minus 7x plus 10. Moving on to the next one. Again, the same procedure. It's going to be x square minus 3x plus 6x minus 18 is multiplied by x plus 5. Simplifying, x square plus 3x minus 18 in the first bracket and multiplied by x plus 5. So I will write x square plus 3x minus 18 two different times. First I will multiply it by x and second by plus 5. So this is going to give you x cube plus 3x square minus 18x plus 5x square plus 15x and minus 5 times 18 is going to give you 90. So plus minus is a minus 90. Now further simplification, we'll keep like terms together. X cube minus 15, not 15, it is plus 3x square plus 5x square minus 18x plus 15x minus 90. Now like terms are together, so we can simplify easily. 8x square minus, it's going to be 3x minus 90 is going to be your final answer. As we are moving on to question number 4, in here you can see that this is a, for example, and this is b. So what formula you think it's going to be? A plus b and a minus b. So this formula is going to be used to simplify this bracket. So what I will write is 2x minus 1, and for these two brackets I will write a square minus b square like this, or I can just write 1. That's it. Now 2x is going to be multiplied by x square minus 1, and minus 1 is going to be multiplied by x square minus 1 once again. So the first one is going to give you 2x cube minus 2x and minus x square and plus 1. So 2x cube minus x square minus 2x and plus 1 is going to be your final answer for question number 4. Moving on to question number 5. In this question it says that 2x plus 1 is going to be multiplied by 3x plus 1 first. So 3x plus 1, 3x plus, times 2x is going to give you 6x square for the first one. And then plus 3x and plus 2x plus 1. This is going to be in the first bracket, and this has to be multiplied by x minus 2 later once we simplify the first bracket. So it's going to give you 6x square plus 5x plus 1, and then it's going to be multiplied by x minus 2. Now I will write 6x square plus 5x plus 1 two different times. I will write 6x square plus 5x plus 1. I'm writing this two times, and I will multiply first bracket with x and second by negative 2. So first one is going to give me 6x cube plus 5x square and plus x. This one from here is going to give me a 12, negative 12 x square, and minus plus is a minus. Minus 2 times 5 is a 10 x, and minus plus is a minus 2. Further simplification is going to give us 6x cube plus 5x, bringing like terms together, 5x square minus 12x square plus x minus 10x and minus 2. So we are keeping like terms together. 6x cube and plus 5x and minus 12x square is going to give you negative 7x square and minus 9x minus 2. This is going to be your final answer for this question. Moving on to question number 6. First one is going to give me, you know very well that 4x minus 3 is going to be multiplied first by x and second by plus 2. So first part is going to give me 4x square minus 3x minus 3x plus 8x plus minus is a minus, 2 times 3 is a 6, and this is going to be in the first bracket is going to be multiplied by 2x plus 3 later. First we are going to simplify the first bracket. 4x square plus 5x minus 6 is going to be in the first bracket and is going to be multiplied by 2x plus 3. Next is I will write 4x square plus 5x minus 6 two different times. I will write 4x square plus 5x minus 6 two different times, and I'm going to multiply first bracket with 2x and second bracket with plus 3 only. So first one is going to give me 2 times 4 is a 8x cube plus 2 times 5 is a 10 x square and minus 6 times 2 is a 12x. Fourth one is going to give me 3 times 4 is a 12 x square, and it's going to give me 3 times 5 is a 15 x, and plus minus is a minus 3 times 6 is an 18. Further simplification, I am bringing the like terms together, plus 12x squared together and minus 12x and plus 15x are going to be together. First part is going to give me 8x cube, and this is going to give me a 22 x square and plus 3x minus 18, and this is going to be your final answer. Moving on to the next question, which is question number 7. In here, 2x plus 7 is going to be multiplied by 6x minus 5. So the first part is going to give you 12x square plus 42x minus 10x, and minus plus is a minus, 5 times 7 is a 35. This is going to be multiplied by 3x minus 8, but before that we are going to simplify the first bracket, 12x square, and this is going to give you plus 32x and minus 35. This is going to be multiplied by 3x minus 8. So I will write 12x square plus 32x minus 35 two different times. I will write 12x square plus 32x minus 35. I have written two times, and now I'm going to multiply this by 3x first and then minus 8 later. Further simplifying, it's going to give me 3 times 12 is going to give me a 36 x square x cube and plus 32 times 3 is going to give me 96 x minus 105 105x, and 12 times 8 is going to give me a minus 96x square, and minus plus is a minus. 8 times 32 is going to give me 256x plus 280. I should change the pen. Okay, now I will bring the like terms together, 36x cube and plus 96x square minus 96x square minus 105x minus 256x and plus 280. So further simplification is going to give me this plus 96x square and minus 96x square is going to be cancelled, and minus 105 and minus 256 is going to give me a negative 361x and plus 280 as an answer for this question. Moving on to the next question, which is question number 8. First bracket is going to give me a plus b whole square formula, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So I will write this as a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the answer for the first bracket, is going to be multiplied by x minus 4. So the first bracket is going to give me x square plus 2x plus 1. And I will just bring this guy a little here. Now, this is going to be multiplied by x minus 4. So I will write x square plus 2x plus 1 two different times. I will write this x square plus 2x plus 1. Now, first I will multiply this by x, and here I will multiply by minus 4. This is the way you need to follow. So first bracket is going to give me x cube plus 2x square plus x. Fourth one is going to give me minus 4x square. Fifth one is going to give me minus 8x, and minus plus is a minus 4. Further simplification, we will bring the like terms together, 2x square and minus 4x square plus x and minus 8x minus 4. So further simplification is going to give me minus 2x square and minus 7x and minus 4 as a final answer for this question. Moving on to question number 9. As you can see, if I consider this one as a and this one as b, so the final answer for this one is going to be a square minus 2ab plus b square. So I need to multiply x minus 3. I need to multiply x minus 3 with a square minus 2ab plus b square. So simplification is going to give me a square minus 4x and plus 4. Now I need to multiply x square minus 4x plus 4 two different times, first with x and second with minus 3. X square minus 4x plus 4. I will multiply this first by x and second by minus 3. So in here, this is going to give me x cube minus 4x square plus 4x minus 3x square minus minus is a plus, 3 times 4 is a 12x, and minus plus minus minus plus is a minus, 3 times 4 is going to give you a 12. Bringing like terms together, minus 4x square and minus 3x square together and plus 4x and plus 12x are going to be together. Further simplification is going to give me minus 7x square and plus 16x minus 12 as a final answer for this question. Moving on to question number 10. In here again, a formula is going to be used. I should bring this a little up. Now in here, a plus b, I consider this one as a and this one as b. So the formula tells me that I need to get a square plus 2ab plus b square. So I will multiply, I'll bring this a little here. Now, instead of doing or traditional multiplication, I will use a formula instead of writing like this, because I know the formula is going to be telling me that a square plus 2 times a times b plus b square. This is going to give me a direct answer for this calculation. So first one is going to give me 4x square plus 4 times 2 times 2 is a 4, 4 times 3 is a 12, x plus 9 is going to be the answer for this one. Okay. Now I will write 4x square plus 12x plus 9 two different times like always. Now the first value is x and second value is negative 1. Further calculation is going to give me 4x cube plus 12x square, and the third one is going to give me 9x minus 4x square minus 12x and minus 9. 12x minus 9. Now we put the like terms together, plus 12x square minus 4x square plus 9x minus 12x minus 9. So 4x cube, and this is going to give me 8x square and minus 3x minus 9. And this is going to be a final answer for this question. Moving on to question number 11. Now here, this is the formula I have already explained you. For example, if this one is A and this one is B and negative sign is in between, and you have a cube. So what to do with this kind of question? If you remember in the very beginning of the video, I have already explained you how to find out the value of a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. And in here, I have explained you how to get the value of a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube. Just to give you a review, for example, if you have a plus b whole cube, so how do you get this? A cube, and then you write plus with the space AB with the space AB, and then at the end you write plus B cube. Okay, now in here A is 3, here A is 2, and here A is 1. From this side, when you go, B is cube, B is square, and B is 1. Okay, now here you write 3 and 3. That's it. You get the value. For example, if you have A minus B whole cube, you write A cube, 3A square B, and 3AB once again, and plus B cube like this, and this is going to be square. Now, first one is going to be plus, this is minus, and this is plus, and this is also minus. So this is how it's going to work. Now, in here, what we have is A minus B. Now, in here, consider x as A and 1 as B. So what will I write here? X cube minus 3 x square 1 and plus 3 x and b, which is 1 square and minus 1 cube. Okay, now simplification is going to give you x cube minus 3x square plus 3x and minus 1 as an answer, and you'll get full marks. Now this is going to give you, again, consider this as A and this as B. Okay, and all the signs are going to be positive. So what you can do is you can multiply these two guys separately, and then you multiply the answer with this bracket. So instead, we'll go for the formula and see how quickly we find the answer. Now I will write A cube plus 3A square B, which is 2, and plus 3A B square plus B cube. Now in here, first one is going to give me 27, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 is going to give me a 27 x cube, and second one is going to give me, first we simplify 3, and this is going to give you 9x square times 2, and this one is going to give you 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 9x, and this is a 4 plus 8. Now final answer is going to be 27x cube plus 3 times 9 is 27, 27 times 2 is 54. So 54 x square, and plus 9 times 4 is a 36 x, and plus 8 is going to be your final answer using the formula. Moving on to question number 13. In here, we are going to be using two formulas and subtracting them each other. Now, this one is going to be called as a minus b whole cube formula, and this one is called as a plus b whole cube formula. Now, we'll be using directly. Now, first one is going to give us x cube minus 3a square b, and plus 3ab square and minus b cube. This is going to be the first formula, and then now this minus is going to come. This minus I'm using now over here, and now we'll be opening x plus 1 whole cube formula. So first one is going to give us x cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square and plus 1 cube. This is second formula. Now simplifying within the bracket itself, x cube minus 3 times 2 is going to be a 6, x square plus 3 times 4 is going to be a 12, x and minus 8 from the first bracket, negative x cube plus 3x square and plus 3x plus 1. Now in here we are going to be using minus plus 12x minus 8. This minus is going to make this x cube minus 3x square minus 3x and minus 1. And now you know very well this one and this one both can be cancelled, and minus 6x square and this minus 3x square is going to come from here, and plus 12x and minus 3x, this one, these two we are talking about, and then minus 8 minus 1. So minus 6x square and minus 3x square is going to give us minus 9x square, and plus 12x minus 3x is going to give us plus 9x and minus 9 as an answer to this question. Moving on to the next question, which is 14. Over here, two different formula as before, a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube. So first bracket is going to give us x cube plus 3a square b and plus 3ab square and plus b cube. First bracket, and then minus is going to be a cube minus 3ab a square b and plus 3ab square and minus b cube. Now this is going to be x cube and plus 3 times 3 is a 9x square, and plus this is a 9 actually. Okay, so 3 times 9 is going to give us a 27. 3 times 9 is a 27x plus 3 times 3 is a 27. Now this is already simplified. Minus, we simplify within the bracket itself first. Minus 3 times 4 is going to be giving us a 12x square, and plus the 4 square is a 16. So 16 times 3 is going to give us a 48x minus 4 cube is going to give us a 64. So for question number 14 over here, simplified already. Now we are going to use negative sign, plus 9x square as it is, no change, 27. And now this minus is going to change the value of all the values, plus 12x square and minus 48, and minus minus is a plus 64. Now you know very well, like terms, we are going to be cancelling this and this. So minus 9x square and plus 12x square and plus 27x, and this is a 48x. So plus 48x plus 27 plus 64. So this is going to give us 12. This is a 9. This is a plus. So 12 plus 9 is going to give us a 21x square. And in here, this is going to give us, this is a minus 48. This is a minus 48 actually. This is a minus 48, not a plus 48. So plus 27x minus 48x plus 27 plus 64. So finally, this is going to give us a 21x square and minus 21x and plus 91 as an answer for this question. Moving on to the last question of this exercise. I should take this one a little ahead over here, and now we can work on the first bracket. As you know, I will not be explaining much. In here it is 2x, that means a cube, and plus 3a square b and plus 3ab square and plus a b cube. So this is going to be the first bracket, and plus 3 times. Now in the bracket I will be solving a plus b whole cube formula. So it's going to be x cube plus 3a square b and plus 3ab square and plus b whole cube. Now we are going to simplify within the bracket itself. So 2 cube is going to give us 8x cube and plus 3, and this is going to be 4x square and plus 3 times 2 is a 6, 6x plus 1. So this is going to be the first bracket. Now let's see what the second bracket gives us. X cube and plus 3x square and plus 3x and plus 1. Now we should multiply this 3 with the bracket. So I will write 8x cube and 3 times 4 is a 12x square and plus 6x plus 1. This is the first bracket, and then 3x cube plus 3 times 3 is a 9x square and plus 3 times 3 is a 9x and plus 3, something like this. Now 8x cube plus 3x cube plus 12x square and plus 9x square and plus 6x plus 9x plus 1 and plus 3. Now let's see what it gives us. 8 plus 3 is going to give us an 11x cube and 12x square, and 9x is going to give us a 21x square. Now 6 and 9 is going to give us a 15x, and 3 plus 1 is going to give us a 4. This is going to be your final answer for this question, and that's how exercise is going to be end. And now I am going to show you the answers of all the questions which are over here. You can check every question and the working and the answers of all the questions to help you in understanding more. In case if you have any doubt or anything that you need to discuss with me, feel free to connect me on WhatsApp number provided. I wish you all the best and have a nice day. Thank you very much.